Hey guys, we're back with a new set of amazing tools and gadgets for every woman. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. 4 interchangeable blades let you julienne, chop and slice vegetables with ease. Built-in chop lid lets you cut foods directly into the collection tray without the mess of a knife and cutting board. Storage container lets you hold prepared vegetables in the full-star vegetable cutter until you are ready to begin cooking. This 7-piece set is destined to become the favorite among all your home kitchen tools. Rust-resistant heavy-duty 420 stainless steel retains razor sharpness for crisp, smooth cutting and grating. Blades snap in and out with ease. Cut potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots and more. Soft grip handle with rubberized TPU enhances leverage while the non-skid base ensures stability during use. Slice, dice, chop and cut fruits and vegetables safely and easily, in half the time. Next, durable and reliable pancake and cupcake batter dispenser. Made entirely of high-quality BPA-free plastic, this easy-to-use 4-cup capacity pourer is designed with a wide mouth opening making filling it up a breeze, and the quick close valve makes pouring the perfect pancake like a pro seem like child's play. Pancake's new updated design to prevent breaking. Our redesigned pulley handle has been repositioned to ensure quality and durability. In short, it won't break. So squeeze away pancake after pancake. Not to mention our fail-safe valve doesn't leak, leaving your hands and kitchen clean and making it safe to use by your little kids. Best of all, it's 3/4 inch wide, allowing for chunky muffin mix to slide through easy breezy. Cupcake portion controlled. Lopsided pancake stacks. The struggle is real. Keeping a consistent size for your pancakes, funnel cakes and other baked goods can be a hassle to the untrained eye, but now just squeeze and go with our food batter pancake dispenser. Just easy pull the trigger handle, count to 2 and move on. It's as simple as that. Waffle dispensing usefulness. Waffles, muffins, brownie mix and even pizza sauce all fit perfectly through our dispensing valve, offering you the fantastic versatility to use your imagination and be in control of your bakery mixes on your griddle and waffle iron. If the batter is too thick, just add a bit of extra liquid and it will work perfectly. This pancake accessory also supplies an easy pull trigger handle grip system. Who knew that a cooking utensil so simple would end up being so useful?
The Zulai Kitchen Premium Utensil Rest. This convenient utensil rest holds up to 4 utensils, and the wide square base is designed to catch any drops. It also has a lip around the edges of the base, which contains any mess or drops, keeping your countertop perfectly clean. It's perfect for any kitchen. Comes in so many colors. A simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get yours today.
Introducing the Gorilla Grip Cutting Boards. Durable rubber border helps keep the board in place. Larger and thicker than most brands to help make meal prep easier. Deep juice grooves help catch runoff juices. Reversible for double the use. And dishwasher safe for an easy clean. We hope you love your new cutting boards.
Hello everybody, I'm Nick, and I know when I check into an Airbnb or hotel and my personal belongings are outside of the comfort of my own home, that I could use a little extra protection. So I just recently purchased the portable door lock, and it's cheap and easy to use. Let me show you. Enter the device into the door. Wrap the chain around and insert the red metal lock into the first heart-shaped hole where the doorknob is. No one's getting in there. And to remove the device, you simply pull the red lock up and over, open the door, and remove the device. The portable door lock is compatible with doors that open inward. It is not compatible with doors that open outward, sliding doors, double doors, salt doors, or oversized doors. I highly recommend this product for those of you who like to travel. I know for me, when I'm outside of my hometown, it's easy to walk around knowing that my personal belongings are safe and secure inside of the hotel or Airbnb. And for only one small payment, you too can have unlimited security.